2016 was a great year, man. Me personally, at least. Well, me and my parents got divorced, but... I'll cut that out too.
Okay, and the last one too.
Ooh. It was Half-Life 2 episode 2. You befriend an alien that takes you back to the resistance group, and they're called the Border Gons. And they use their language to communicate with each other as they yell into this valley.
Okay.
And I got so good at copying what he was saying. And now I feel self-conscious. Oh, no. It's where my alien thing came from, balloon tower defense. Oh. Like, you know. Ding, ding, ding. And don't fall down here. Oh boy, this one's a lot deeper than I remembered. I'm doing all right though. That didn't feel good. But not wet. Today's video is sponsored by Go Rock. When you need boots that are breathable and somewhat waterproof, go with Go Rock.